Hey kids, hope you well. We are going to create a kind of point system, but it's going to be for the cat, so it's going to be something like a source of milk. And then as soon as the cat gets a source of milk, we are going to have another character that's going to come and try and attack you. And then this is how you're going to be losing lives. However, if you attack it, you can get more points or powers up. Let's just go and create this now. So we're going to go into our tile map, and then inside here I'm going to use a new tile. I'm going to go and use a new color, this one, and then fill this in, and then use this as milk placer. All right, done. So what I'm going to do here is just put these at different spots to the other things that are in there, which are the fish. And these are going to be here, and they're going to be there to entice you to go and play and grab the milk and then fend off the thing that's going to attack you. So what we need is the loop again. So we need to go and essentially run this. So the array of all locations. Array of all locations. In here, like that. And then we want that to be this one with the value. So the value, and then set our sprite to set my sprite. This time it's going to be milk. This one's milk. And then we need local variables for this. So this is going to be milk. Milk. We can't do that. So saucer milk. Saucer of milk. It doesn't matter what the name is really. Source of milk is kind milk, which is great. And then what we want to do is go and draw a saucer of milk. Okay, so here's my saucer, and I called it saucer of milk at the bottom. And so in that, I'm going to put the same thing as before. We want to go and place on top of the item. So we want to go and find all these blocks and place the item on top, the source of milk on top. Let's go into my scene, place in location. There we go, place my sprite in location. And it's the value, isn't it, on top? So my sprite, place my sprite, which is source of milk, on top of that there. And it should be next to it, because then we want we want that one there, don't we, to be underneath, so that we go and get rid of the background colors. So as I play here now, you've got that. Oh, there we go. So we want this, and this is going to give us a score, and then these are going to go and trigger some character to come and attack us there, so we can get more points and lives. They'll try and take our lives away, but we need to go and get our lives back, or our scores back. So source of milk there at all those locations, and we'll go and it becomes very playable after a while. Right, I'm going to go and stop that. So you can go and build this. Okay, you want to go and get something that's going to start taking our lives away, but is enticing for your character. Okay, so if you've got a dog, maybe dog food or a bone or something like that, or if you've got hearts, if you've got a princess or something like that, or you've got a prince, or you've got some warrior, they're going to get some tools or what have you. It's entirely up to you. Okay, play test, have fun, good luck.